Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, today's video we are going to discuss about how to think in English. Because friend क्या होता है, most of student को English fluently बोलना चाहते हैं but वो बोल नहीं पाते. Because friend they don't think in English. And for that we are going to discuss 3 exercises to think in English. And if friend, if every basis you will do that exercise, 100% you will able to speak English fluently. Then friend, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Friend, first work you have to do, make a sentences in your head. Means friend, throughout a day, what is going around you, you should think in English. For example, you are in college. You should think XYZ teacher are teaching you. Some girls are taking lunch. Students are playing cricket. Throughout the day, there will be number of sentences you can find and you should think in English. Friend, don't worry about the mistakes. But day by day, you will improve your mistakes. And if you are doing this exercise everyday basis, 100% your confidence will be boosted. And friends, second things you have to do, you should practice sentences for conversation. For example, you are meeting to your friend at a evening time and you should decide what will you speak with him, which question will you ask, which topic will you discuss. You should make a sentences before meeting him, because at a meeting time 100% you will be confident to speaking time. And once you successfully complete this conversation, your confidence will be boosted and you can speak English fluently very well. And third things friend, that is the most important, you should have to do, that is recap your day. Means friend, this exercise you have to do end of a day. Before going to bed or at a lying on a bed, you should do. Because when did you wake up? What did you do at a morning time? What happened with you morning time? Same at a noon time, what did you do? Like that you should think in English. Even at a evening time, what did you do? Like that you should think in English and recap your whole day. Because 100% it will be helpful you think in English, and after some days later automatically you will able to think in English. And 100% if you will think in English, your fluency will be improved. Without taking a less time, you will speak fluently. And friend, if you will work it everyday basis, 100% you will speak English and your confidence will be boosted too much. And friend, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, because next video notification you will get. And thank you so much. See you next.